Hi, I'm Mike P. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the teardown on the LV3 4.3 liter to get it ready for the turbo build. So follow along. So I've got the heads, rods, pistons, all that off of this thing. Gonna give you a little comparison of the rods that came out of this versus like a Gen 453, just for the sake of how funny it is. A lot of similarities in the motor. Obviously this is Gen 5, so it's more LT based, but then GM goes and does something weird like this. But this is the LV3 rod, super wimpy, and the Gen 4 rod, quite a bit thicker. But I'm gonna leave the crank in it for now. It all looks good. It's gonna be a good candidate for building. It's getting rods, pistons. Pull the cam out later. Gonna order a cam up and probably end up putting the, I don't want to take it too far apart. We gotta mock it up and start building the turbo kit, so I'll show you that as well. But keep you updated later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, you know it. Bye.